Viofo A329 versus the Red Tiger F77. This is the brand new Red Tiger 4K dash camera using the IMX678 Starvis 2 image sensor. And we wanted to show you how it goes up against the brand new Viofo A329. And from looking at how it is picking up license plates, the Viofo A329 is definitely doing a better job than the actual Red Tiger F77. However, I'm excited to see that Red Tiger is starting to jump into the Starvis 2 game and actually, for the first time ever, starting to use 4K sensors. However, if you do pay attention to the video, it does seem like they're duplicating frames or dropping frames. I've actually sent the video to Robert at Retro Car Guy because he's going to be able to give me the full skinny on basically what's going on between these two dash cameras. And as far as I can see, the Red Tiger does have some challenges. I'm guessing he's going to find it at 24 frames per second, while the Viofo is at 30 frames per second. Now, I want to be fully transparent here. Both units are in HDR. The Red Tiger does not allow you to turn HDR on or off, but the Viofo, I have it on for HDR. And the reason why I do is because we are going to be following up with the tunnel test here in about a minute, so that you'll be able to see that going directly into the tunnel and how the HDR reacts in there. But as we continue analyzing license plates, tell me what you guys think in the comments. Personally, I think the Viofo A329 does a better job of picking up the license plates than the Red Tiger, although I am impressed that they have, like I said, jumped into the game with a true 4K dash camera for once. But as we come up to this RAV4, you can tell the A329 just does a little bit of better job of picking up the information. The Red Tiger still does pick it up, but now we're on to the tunnel test. If you pay attention to the Red Tiger, you're going to see just how yellow it is as compared to how white it is on the Viofo A329. And look at that, the Viofo picked up the license plate. Barely, but it still got it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.